Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily allow microphone access to Skype application on your iPhone. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So guys, first of all, open up the settings of your iPhone. Now you'll have to scroll down all the way to the bottom until you find Skype application. Now once you have found it, tap on Skype. And you'll be able to find a lot of options like notifications, Siri and search, microphone and background app refresh. And if you're facing issues with the microphone of Skype application, all you'll have to do is to make sure that this microphone option is toggled on. And basically what it will do, it will fix your microphone issue in your Skype application on your iPhone. I hope you found the video helpful. If you found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.